Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I achieved this bouncy wash and go using a gel and mousse combo. I'm starting off on freshly washed hair that I divided into 4 sections. Taking a small portion of the first section, I'm going to make sure it's fully detangled before I add the Doux base gel and rake through. And I'm making sure to use a combination of raking and smoothing to ensure my curls clump together. Once the gel is evenly distributed, I'm going to go over top of that with the Doux texture foam. And I've seen them use this combo on their Instagram page and I love the results, so I wanted to try it out for myself. And now I'm just going to repeat those same steps on the rest of my hair. Now this is my first time using their base gel, and I really love the consistency of the product. It is a botanical gel, so it has that slimy texture that I really like for my hair. If you've ever used the Uncle Funky's daughter, their botanical gel, it's very similar to that. Now at the beginning of the video, you can see how my hair turned out. I did love the results and how my hair looked and how bouncy it was, but I did have some product buildup, but I know it was because of user error. As you can see, when I'm applying the gel to my hair and the mousse to my hair isn't nearly wet enough, and I used too much product. So I did have some beading of the product on top of my hair, and I also have low porosity hair, so that also worked against me. So I do want to try this combination again, but next time just make sure that my hair is completely soaked before I go in with the products, and maybe not use as much as I did. Also, with all my years of being natural, this is probably the second wash and go I've ever done. I typically don't do wash and goes just because of how long they take, and I really don't want to sit there for all of this time to rake and work in really small sections. I typically go for twist outs just because it's faster and I don't have to guess how my hair is going to turn out after a twist out, since that's my go-to style and I pretty much mastered it at this point. So now that I'm trying to exit my lazy natural hair era, I want to actually learn, what works best for my hair, how to keep my hair more moisturized, and also to style my hair differently instead of doing the same styles. So recording this video was kind of like a learning experience for me. So I kind of know, I have a better idea of what to do next time. So let me know in the comment section, do you prefer to do wash and goes, or do you prefer to do twist outs or braid outs? So here's my whole head completely done, and as you can see, my curls are super defined and my hair has a lot of movement. At this point, it's pretty late and I don't want to go to sleep with wet hair, so I'm using a blow dryer to focus on drying my scalp. At this point, my hair is about 90% dry, so I'm just gonna sleep with a bonnet on and I'll show you how I stretch it in the morning. It's now the next morning and I know my hair looks silly, but we're gonna stretch it out. I'm going to go in with that same blow dryer, but this time I'm going to use the concentration nozzle, and I'm just going to pull from the ends to create some tension, and I'm going to focus mainly on the roots to elongate the hair, but I'm also going to drag the heat down the hair shaft as well. And I'm making sure to use warm air instead of hot to ensure I'm not overstretching my curls. And as you can see here, the difference between the stretch side and the non-stretch side. And here are the final results. At this point, the Doux can do no wrong in my eyes. Every product that I've tried from them has been a 10 out of 10, and I will definitely recommend this base gel. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.